In this video, we will cover how to adjust the feed gate height on a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season, grower, farm, field, operating configuration, and product. Once the operating configuration has been loaded, press the Rate button. Press the bin icon. Press Product Settings. From this screen, we can edit the feed gate opening. To do this, press the numeric keypad button and enter in the correct feed gate height. Press the green check mark when complete, and this will save the new feed gate height. We have now covered how to adjust the feed gate height on a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.